Here at the Bower, I really feel like we have an opportunity to make a difference in people's lives.
That's why we started the House to Home program, allowing victims of domestic violence and refugees to come in and select furniture for free in which to furnish their new homes.
The Bower is primarily passionate about diverting waste from landfill, but if we can do that in ways that help people, help everyday people or people who are in need, it's an absolutely amazing feeling to do two really, really powerful and really good things.
The payoff of being able to help somebody start their new lives in comfort and with dignity makes it all worthwhile.
We don't only help by giving things to people, but we also love to teach. We've been developing a series of online programs and courses to help share our skills with you.
Teaching people here at Bower is just another amazing opportunity for us to contribute to the community. It feels amazing to know that we're actually able to make a huge difference in people's lives. Now you can be part of it too by donating through this page.